far it will go by this new challenge of swallow. So we have our 2 men here. We want to know how they can win this game. By the first person that finishes his game, we go on with 5,000 naira inside the envelope. Now, we would like to know them by name because I don't know them. They don't introduce themselves to us. So, my brother, can you tell us your name?
My name is Efficiency.
All right, Efficiency. Brother, can you tell us your name? All right, Ngbandike, atuegwu na Eziagu and the Efficiency. Today, we will see how faster you are by eating. It's not just like a gentleman. If you like, eat like a gentleman. If you like, eat like somebody just come out from prison. As you start, leave your swallow, eat the way you want. As you hear me, hey, you start eating. If you like, eat like a gentleman. If you like, eat like somebody just come out from prison. All I know is that if you are the first person that first finish, you go on with this 5,000 naira inside the envelope. Can you hear me? The time is 2 minutes. 2 minutes. The swallow is 83. 83. That is 33. 6. So I hope you are satisfied the way it is. Efficiency, are you satisfied? Ngbandike, are you satisfied? Now, the time is. What is time now? All right, start. Wow! Are you seeing? Can you see? This guy just come out from prison. He just come out from prison. Wash. Wow. This guy is not joking. This guy is not joking. He's not joking. Your throat is rubber. Your throat is rubber. Hey! Ngbandike, atuegwu. Ngbandike, atuegwu. Efficiency. Where's your fufu now? Hey! Huh? Oh, well, okay. Huh? This is the face. Hey! Ngbandike, atuegwu. Is your throat rubber? It's all right. But are you not coming from prison?
CMC.
This is third swallow we eat here. But this one is first swallow. But I'm never very full. I'm not like 9 swallows. Please, once, for the people who know $70,000, you know that. Please, try to comment because I came here to improve my man, Tukuma, here. So in order to go further.
It's okay. Now, let me ask you. You are trying to tell us if you bring another 9 swallow now you finish it.
Even 9 swallow, I will not be enough for this 9 swallow. I will stay hungry.
You say because you want to run away.
Even though you run away, I want to run away. I'm running already. Even though you run away from our competition, I'll still stay here. Play for night. Play for o'clock in night. Until the night will come. Okay. I can finish it.
Thank you. Our team group, we have had him, and he's the winner of this swallow competition. So please, our man will come and represent this envelope to the winner in the person of Prince Ozo. Please come and take this envelope and present to them, to the winner.
Okay, we are here to present the envelope for the winner of the swallow competition. The winner now is Eziagu State. So, congratulations for the winner of the. So, it can also count your money whether it's complete or not.
Thank you and God bless you. I'm here to support my man, Tukuma, MC. There's our people called, actually, and I'm very happy to be in this event and to be part of this comedy. But I thank God for everything that's happening here. I'm very, very happy. Oh, Mother Bana Book, Mother Depa, it's a very big honor. Thank you and God bless you, all my fans. Thank you, God bless you. You're welcome. Okay. Okafo. Okonkwo. Okorie. When I ga. Iwe anyị tiri. Ọsị gịnị? Iwe anyị tiri. CMC. Okeke. Okafọ. Okonkwo. Okorie. Maka Okeke.